Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy M14, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So, on the third place in my top is all launcher. So just find it. And install. Click open, and great. Now swipe up. Here you will see all your apps. Here is your apps menu, and here is your shortcut apps. But as you can see, standard Samsung wallpapers are not looks good in this launcher. So we need to press and hold in any free space on our screen. Then choose daily new wallpaper. Then is not default launcher. Okay, so you can disable it now, and now go back to the home screen, and this launcher is setting up by default beautiful wallpapers, but with dark left side of your wallpaper. In this way you will always see your apps on your screen. So firstly, you can set up your favorite apps here. For example, Galaxy Store, calendar, and messages. Okay, and in this way you will see here your favorite wallpapers, your favorite apps, and here you will see all your applications list of apps. And of course you have the search here, so you can really in a fast way find any application you need. And you don't need to provide the full name of application to find it and then click on this application. You just need to start to provide the application name, and in this way, as you can see, I have wrote just PLA, and it has opened the Play Store because I have no other apps that starts on PLA. And in this way, for example, if I want to find settings applications, so just click S, E, and settings app is launched. So great, I suggest you this launcher when you are at work, when you need to be concentrated, because this launcher helps to concentrate. The second launcher I recommend to use it when you have free time, because this launcher is really beautiful and it looks really great. So just find it, Smart Launcher 6. Find it, click install. Click open. Get started. Agree, confirm, continue. While using the app, allow, confirm. Click on the cross on the right top corner. And great, as you can see here we have really beautiful interface. Here we have why I love this launcher, because here we have groups of apps, and for example all games will be automatically moved to games folder, settings to settings, utilities to utilities, media to media, your messages, and other contact applications will be here in contacts, and internet surfing application will be here. Okay. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So if you need to have really if you need to be really performance in performance stock, I don't know, so you need to use this launcher, because this launcher is integrated to your Samsung launcher, so it will look like normal Samsung launcher but with Microsoft launcher features. So click get started using the app, allow, and in this click skip. Okay, in this step, don't click customize, just click continue. Wait a while, always allow. Let's go. Set as default. Choose here Microsoft launcher, and great. As you can see here, we have normal Samsung interface, but here we have Microsoft launcher menu with apps hidden application feature. Here we have alphabetical line to fastly find any applications, and here we have really great feature to open any application you need really fast. So just open settings launcher and find here gestures. So if you need to be productivity, so just set to do anything, or to open any app or create a shortcut. You can create any shortcut to open the settings menu, or to open the link in Facebook for your, I don't know, for example, school group or school community, and set it to open it by the gesture. So in this way, if I will swipe from down to up, I will open the setting up application, or the link, shortcut, or the action. In this way, I think that it's really powerful launcher to boost your productivity. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.